Attention tourists, when we arrive in Tokyo, there will be a 5-minute rest stop. You must be back on the bus in exactly 5 minutes so that we can maintain our exciting schedule. This morning, we will visit one temple, one shrine, and one palace. After a 20-minute box lunch, we will take the harbor tour by boat, then the city tour by bus, and we will end the afternoon at 1700 with a genuine Japanese tea ceremony. Synchronize your watches. It is 08:13. Mark. Minutes. 5 minutes. We cannot wait for latecomers.
Excuse me? But is this whole tour going to be, this organized?
Impressive, isn't it? In one day, we will see everything there is to see in Tokyo. Then one day at Mount Fuji, one day in Nagoya, one day in Kyoto to see everything there is to see there. And we fly home on the 15th.
But aren't we going to meet any Japanese people?
Of course, the hotels have several Japanese employees who speak English very